My family members are also here. Hi to Blackpink Lisa, Rose, Jenny, and Jisoo. Hello! Oh my God!
Okay, meron akong gustong malaman na word. Tama ba yung tinuro ni Ate Karat sa akin WhatsApp mananap? Ano direct translation nun? What's up, people? Ano naman?
Surprise sa inyo. Meron akong kinaral kanina. Hindi ko alam, hindi to perfect, pero nalipay ko nga makaperform din sa Cebu! Gihigugma, tika, gihigugma, Cebuanos! Kamu, gihigugma, put ko ninyo?
Sa akong rap, Bisaya siya. And actually, sabi ko, sagot na sila. Okay, sa Abanik, sa Manila, mo
Tuloy ko ang takong pag-work nga, nabuang na. Dahil nag-premed, di ko di ay. Di na, kayo dungan pa na kong premed hanggang dini. Ito mahuman dahil.
Wait lang, may inaral ako word eh.
Ganahan ka mo!
Kay Jan, mag-aaral.
Shagit sa ba? Nag-aaral na ako ng mga ibang Bisaya words na sasabihin ko sa nagtitinda. Okay. Una. Kumari dyan naman sa ate. Unsa ni? Ayan. Tapos, pinapili na ako. Ate, tagpila? Ate, mubayad na ako. Yun lang. Ang gagawin mo pag bibili, nakabayad na ako.
Kulit sa pagalis! Ano yun? At pa ang kapal. Sa palinda. Uy, wow!
My presence is a place. Taking friends with people guessing. No, you got me when I can't be crushed. We can't forget to never get enough. Every day. No one sing with us. Every day. It's together on the beat, yeah. If you want it sweet, sugar on the rock. If you want it spice, we turn the beat up. Baby, I'm the kind that is the one that's first. I don't hold my water. Why don't you wanna believe Vancouver? Believe me, okay? I don't hold my water.
How about this next beanie?
Bagong ano dyan, na-allergy.
I already know. Ano lang, something messed up.
On the wings of love.
One more time! Wow, go. One more time.
On the wings of love.
Mali.
Okay lang.
Basta pag ikaw tama. Okay, one more time.
Isa pa. Tono mo yan
You have a technical issue, but you're Beanie.
Tuti, what's up? We are Mamen. This is our latest song, Mamen. 5, 6, 7, go. Mamen, Mamen, oh yeah, Mamen, Mamen. So let me introduce to you our Beanie Birds. Bigyan natin ng chances sa ako. Bigyan natin ng chances sa ako. Lagi kang lutang. Alright, Canada, let's celebrate music, arts, fashion, and so much more. We would like to welcome you to our Beanie Bird!
perform, lagi ako emotional in which, yes, actually, pero ngayon na-realize ko, may sabi, buhok mo yung buhok mo! Okay.
Tabangin nga, ayaw!
Actually, Char! Uy!
Buyag!
Magpaseryoso ako ninyo! So, saan na ba ako? Yes, so napansin ko every time after mag-perform ako, lagi akong emotional. And kasi totoo naman talaga, I get so emotional because it really means a lot to me to be able to perform in front of you guys. But this time, parang hindi na ako emotional. Hindi, it's because may nanotice ako, parang this time I feel more empowered and yung sobrang lakas ko dahil sa pagmamahal. And na-realize ko din, especially when I was with the Beanie Girls, na parang kung ano man yung pagdaanan mo or whatever that will come your way, just face it with love and strength. And especially ngayon, relating it to the song that I chose, which is Woman, ang hirap maging babae. It's hard to be a woman. Ang hirap kasi parang ang daming sabi na dapat ganito ka, huwag ka ganyan. Pero that's what I love about being a woman. Kasi we get to be strong and at the same time we get to release our divine feminine energy.
Tayo ngayon, parang feeling ko nga pag pumikit ka, ano bang sinisigaw-sigaw mo?